Oh boy, is it pouring with rain today. It's not cold though. It's empty today for my regular volunteer shift. I've been in since before Christmas, but not for a proper full shift. I've been in for some training and stuff and other things, but not for like a shift. And when I was there a couple of weeks ago for my training, it was dry, really dry there. Like, we'd not had much rain and the wind had come through and dried everywhere. And now I'm wondering what it's going to be like today, because it is pouring with rain today. I put my thermals on because it's not cold, but it's raining, and the rain, I think, brings the cold. So although the outside temperature is quite mild, I didn't want to take any chances. So I've got my thermals on. Let's hope I don't need to go to the loo in a hurry. It actually says 9 degrees for the outside temperature, so that is pretty mild. I bet I'll be boiling hot. Hot, but very, very damp, probably. I've lost my new grey hat. I don't know where it is. I put it somewhere. It might be in the vehicle somewhere. So I've got to go back to wear my blue one, and I love my grey one. I woke up yesterday with a slight crick in my sort of top of my shoulder, my neck area. Don't know what caused that. Thought it had gone when I woke up this morning. But actually, you know when you try and turn your neck, you can feel something stops you, pain or discomfort. It's still there, so yeah, I'll be careful. I need to be careful today. Still raining, but it has slowed down, so hopefully it'll stop soon. Oh Joss, going to the field shelter. The little shepherds aren't bothered, but you should be in the field shelter. You've got your coat on.